Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Average awning installation costs. In addition to the product itself, actual installation will cost between $175 and $450. Per square foot, expect to pay $6 to $9. This includes hiring a professional, including potentially an electrician for the motor.
Take our lead.
Awnings cannot withstand large amount of liquids. A heavy rain can cause a lot of damage to an RV awning. You should always keep your awnings tucked in, or after a heavy rain lower one end to allow the water to run off the awning. Excessive weight can damage the fabric and cause costly damage.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
Available widths, 8 feet, and 10 feet, to 18 feet, in 1 foot increments. Projection, up to 10 feet 2 inches from your house. The 10 and 11 foot awnings extend out 9 feet, and the 8 foot wide awning extends out 7 feet.
Take our lead.
SunSetter products range from $800 to $2,500. This brand offers larger, retractable units made of canvas. SunSetter does not install their own products but works directly with local certified dealers to help homeowners. All canopies come with a 5-year limited warranty.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.